Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I want to do a review of a CPA network company called Yoonla that is helping me generate income from the internet. As you can see here, I've been able to receive a total of $763 through PayPal, and I'm able to generate this income just by doing a very simple task of generating leads and sending signups into Yoonla's site. So for every lead that I send to Yoonla, I'm able to earn $4 and $2 per every lead, per every sign up. So for everyone who signs up and confirms that they want to be members, I get paid without spending a coin. I get paid just for doing that. I'm also paid $30 for every member who wants to become elite. It's very easy to join Yoonla. You just need to sign up with the link that I'm going to leave below this video. And because I like being honest, it is very good to tell you that I'm going to earn once you sign up. I'm going to get $2 or $4 depending with the country that you're at. If you're in Tier 1 country, the USA, the UK, New Zealand, Canada, the English-speaking country, I am going to earn $4. And if you're in other countries, any other country in the world, apart from about 6 countries that are not in Yoonla, I'm going to get $2. And this is the same way you duplicate. This is the same way you will earn online. Just by posting and sharing the link with anyone in the world, you'll also get to earn the same way that I'm going to earn. So when you click on the link that I'm going to leave below, then you click on register, this page, the joining page is going to open. So this page will open. You will put in your name and your email address, and then you click on create your account. You're going to receive such an email from Yoonla. So check out for an email from Yoonla. Click this part, activate your Yoonla account. This is to confirm that you want to be a member of Yoonla. Once you click that, you'll be able to create your password, and then that will lead you to the members area. So you may be asking yourself, what is it that Yoonla has? What is the product in Yoonla? Now, Yoonla has partnered with Yahoo and GetResponse to provide the 2 tools that everyone needs to succeed in digital marketing. So Yahoo provides domain and hosting, and GetResponse provides the autoresponder tool that enables you to be able to collect all the email leads and also do an email communication to all the contacts that you have. So those are very important tools that everyone needs to succeed in online marketing, and that is what Yoonla is providing to us as members. And also, apart from that, they will provide you with training. Now, here is the part that you need to pay attention to. For you to start making money online with Yoonla, you will need to become an elite member. For you to become an elite member, I'm going to ask you to start by watching this 5-minute intro video. It's going to take you through what I've been able to explain to you in 5 minutes. It's going to do that, and then you will need to come down to. You can follow the steps, the 7 steps that are provided here, but you can also just scroll down to free elite upgrade and priority setup. Now these are the 3 setups that you need to get your website up. You will need to create an autoresponder. This is the GetResponse that I spoke about earlier under step 1. So click on that. GetResponse will open. You're going to choose the package worth $15. This is a monthly build. This is billed monthly. So choose this package. So when this page opens, input your details, your account details, the email that you want to be using, your country, your contacts, your billing details. Then go ahead and choose the payment that you want to use and create account. So you're done with that step. You're going to receive an email from GetResponse acknowledging and asking you to confirm your account and activate. Then you go back to the members area. At the members area, we go to step 2 and click set up your Yahoo small business hosting account. So click that and this page will open. So this is a Yahoo small business page. We are going to choose a plan. So click on choose a plan. With Yoonla, the recommended plan that is advised for everyone to use is advanced. So this is the plan that we're going to use for this business. So we click choose plan. Here you're going to put the name that you want your business called. For example, work online with Anne. You can call it anything as long as it's professional and it's catchy and it's memorable. Then you click on search. You see it's available. So I'm going to recommend that you use .com. So choose whatever, put in the name that you want your website called, search, and then once it's available, click buy. So we advise to use an annual pay. So we are buying the website one-time fee for 1 year. So you pay for 1 year and you forget about it for a whole year. So you can untick this. And the whole year hosting and domain will cost you 70.68. We click continue and this page will open. So when there's a coupon, like the coupon has been Yoonla hosting, but it's no longer available. If we try to use this, see if it's available. Let's see if we can be able to save some money today. Yeah, sure. So you see, you're able to save quite an amount there. So if you're able to get in like now, I'm not guaranteeing you that the next time you'll be able to sign up, you get this special coupon. So if you want to be an elite member, you will use the word special here at the coupon part and then apply, and you get an amazing discount, and then proceed to checkout. This is the Yahoo business page. Create your account by putting your details, your name, your email address. You will get an email from Yahoo for you to activate and confirm membership, and also you're also going to get a reference number that you're going to use in the next step. So once you click create account, it's going to take you to the payment option. You can choose PayPal, you can choose to pay with card, and then proceed and finish that. Once that is done, let's go back to the members area for the last step, and this is where we need to submit all the details. So in this page, we're going to fill up the setup form so that we can submit it to Yoonla to be able to configure the affiliate account for us. So in this last step, we're just putting our details. That's your name, your email address, your domain name, your small business username. Your username is the email address, and in every step there's instructions besides it. So it's very easy to finish up the last step. Just input all these details. For the order number, you're going to receive it in your email, and also the get response order ID. Same with this one. You're also going to get an email from get response. Just check that from your email. For the get response API key, you need to log in into your get response, and then you go to my account as per the instructions besides here. My account, go integration, then you'll see the API. Copy that API key and insert it here. The last part is the referrer affiliate ID. I'm going to leave my affiliate ID at the description, just beside the website link that I'm going to leave also for you to sign up. So you can copy that ID and paste it here. And once you do that, and then submit request custom setup, for bringing you in, I'm going to get an extra bonus of $30. And this is the same way you're also going to be earning online. So the referrer ID is not your leads do not have to be copying and pasting every time, because once you sign up with your link, the system automatically will note that you're the one who brought them in, and even them without inputting your affiliate ID, you'll still be able to earn. With Yoonla, you will be earning for every immediate person, every lead who signs up and gets a website and get response, you will earn $30. And when your leads bring other leads and they sign up, they will be receiving $30, and you'll also be getting $30 from their downline. So you can see how amazing this product is. I'm in other affiliate networks, but Yoonla has proved to be the best because, one, you're able to earn even without making a sale. So I'm able to earn all this. You can see this is one day and this is another day. This is 25th. I'm able to earn an income without even making a sale. And when I make a sale, I get an extra $30. I earn an extra $30. And number two is because this is available globally. Anyone can do it. As long as you have internet access, you're able to make money online using this amazing opportunity. Well, don't worry about these declines. The declines, sometimes you'll get people who've signed up with other people's links, and they still use your link to sign up. So when it's a duplicate, that becomes a decline. I hope now you understand how you can make money online being an affiliate with Yoonla. It's very easy and it's free to create an account. Use the link below, create your account, go to members area. If you're ready to set up your website, go ahead and set up and start earning. If you're not ready, just check out the videos available there. There's training available there for everyone, whether you're free or not. There is training on how to succeed with Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing. Yoonla is absolutely the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see all of you on the inside.